In this video, I will show you how to insert a game card in your Nintendo Switch OLED. So over here, I have this Assassin's Creed game card and I have actually removed it from my Nintendo Switch. Now, to insert this game card into your Nintendo Switch OLED, you want to come over to the top right corner of your Nintendo Switch. You can literally see the game card port over here. Now, what you want to do is to basically just insert your finger from the top over here and then just try to pull it up. So once you pull it up, you can literally see it opens up. So you're actually trying to pop it from the bottom to the top and you're going to be able to remove it just like so. Now you want to go ahead and insert your game card. Now if you look at the game card properly, you're actually going to see the side of the game card that has an arrow pointing downwards. That is actually the side you want to insert inside of your Nintendo Switch OLED. So just go ahead and insert it just like so. And I have just inserted mine. So if I try to play the Assassin's Creed game now, and as you can see, it actually works pretty well without any issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.